very best crochet friends! Today in this video I will teach you how to crochet your hat in the right size for your baby, for your friend, so any size from baby to adult. It's not difficult, and this method is valid for the cuff and for the regular hat starting from the center of the head. You see, this model starting from the top of your head, and also for the cuff. In these two models, first of all, we have to create a flat circle. You see, we will call this flat circle crown. For both models, we need this flat circle called crown. And in order to create a flat circle, you know that we have to work in circle doing some increases. When we reach the right size for the top of your head, you have to stop increasing and start working on a fixed number of stitches so that your hat begins to bend in the correct shape, like that, you see. So, the question is, how do I calculate the diameter of my crown? It's very easy, because we have a fixed number. First of all, we have to calculate the circumference of your head, like that, passing over the ears in this way. And you see, in this case, for example, for my child, I have 48 centimeters for circumference of my child head. Okay? Now, with this number, I have to I have 48 centimeters for divided a fixed number, which is always the same, 3,14, my P. The result of that will be 15,28. This will be the diameter of my crown. However, I have to do this measure 15 less 2 centimeters so that my size will be perfect. Therefore, 15,28 less 2 centimeters, which is a fixed number, I have 13,28. Anyway, I will have 13 centimeters as diameter for my crown, for my flat circle. When I reach this diameter, after that, I have to stop increasing and start working on the same number of stitches without increasing. Okay? This rule is valid for any size from a baby to an adult. For example, here I have a different circumference. I have just 44 centimeters. Let's do together our operation. So 45, divided 3,14, I have 14 less 2. My result will be diameter of 12 centimeters. I think it's clear now, and you can do the same with every size. Okay, you see, after my diameter is decided, now I have to keep working normally without increasing, and you see that my head will start bending, taking the correct shape and correct size for my head.